her permission?
No, I just want. Oh, no, I don't want to. What, I'll be on the side number in a moment, but I want to. Okay. See what I told you? Mr. Wade, I'm gonna do your matter first. Can you just be in the camera for me? Unmute yourself for me, please, Mr. Wade. Okay.
How you doing?
Are you in a position to be able to take this case right now?
Yes, I am.
Okay, you ready? This is the matter of People versus Nathan Wade. This is ticket number P11732998. One count tinted windows, front passenger. One count disregard traffic control. Also calling ticket number P11757006. One count disorderly conduct. Also calling ticket number P11733338. One count no insurance misdemeanor. One count improper plate. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Strokey, on behalf of Nathan Wade.
Mr. Wade, can you state your name for the record?
Yes, Nathan Wade.
I have a note, Mr. Roki. I know you don't have this note. It says defendant wants a jury trial on disorderly, but looking to resolve if we can resolve. How are we proceeding on this today?
Your Honor, I did have the opportunity to discuss these matters with my client. At this time, he's requesting a bench trial date for all matters.
For all of the matters?
Yes.
Okay. If so, Mr. Wade, can you please raise your right hand?
Yes,
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
yes,
You can put your hand down, sir. Mr. Wade, did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney? That would have been Mr. Roki about your case and about your rights today?
yes, I did.
And she's informing me that you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the finder and trier of the facts. And based on the information presented, I would rule on the law. Is that how you want to proceed in this particular matter?
Pardon me, I didn't hear that last part.
I said, is that how you want to proceed on this particular matter?
The part before that, I heard that part. Sorry about that.
Okay. No, it's okay. I was just letting you know that in a bench trial, the witnesses will come forth. I will hear the testimony, and based on the law, I will present it that way. Is that how you want to
Okay.
particular matter?
Yes, that's fine. Yep.
All right. I'm going to set this for a bench trial on the date. It's going to be March the 30th of
Okay.
2022, 9 a.m. It is going to be via Zoom, okay? So I need you to make
Okay.
sure that you're not moving around like you are today, though. Make sure you can be stationary on that day,
Yep.
okay? It's going to be 9 a.m. I'm going to set your bond at $0 personal on all of these matters, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right. There's nothing further. You're welcome.
I got a quick question. Will I be notified by mail again?
You will, actually, for a bench trial.
Okay.
You will. Right, they get notification. Yes, you'll get notified.
All
by,
right.
Okay. All
Thank
right.
you. Have a good day.
You're welcome. Have a good day, sir.
Yep.
Thank you. Miss Worthy, if you could press *6 on your phone, please.
Okay, I'm here.
Okay. All right, Miss Worthy. This is ticket number C550436. One count allowing unlicensed persons to operate vehicles. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Pauline Strokey, on behalf of Miss Worthy. We are ready to proceed to trial.
And Ms. Worthy, can you state your name for the record, please?
Can I do what? I'm sorry.
Say your name, please.
Oh, I'm sorry. Shafar Worthy.
Thank you, ma'am. This is the date and time set for a bench trial in this matter. It is now 9:53. I don't have, is it any officers present for this Worthy matter? I have none in the courtroom. I have none online that I see at this point in time. Is there a motion, Ms. Soroki?
Your Honor, this time I'm moving for dismissal.
At this time, the court is going to grant that. I'm going to dismiss this matter without prejudice or no offer, sir, coming today. Ms. Worthy, that means that they can refile this if they want to. But as of today, this matter is dismissed, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. If there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing.
Okay, enjoy your weekend. Bye.
You too,
You
thank you.
too. Good luck.
Mr. Wilshire? Elja, Wiltshire? Come out. He may not come out in the room. Try to get him to come out. Okay. Fine. Okay, this is easy. Dejan Welch? No, did I get him? Mr. Tuttle, you're not supposed to be driving on Zoom, so I'm gonna mute you. Sign on when you get to a stable place, okay?
Are you talking to me, Your Honor?
Yes. Sign on when you get to your office, okay? I can't have you
Oh,
driving on Zoom.
okay.
I'll
All right.
wait for you, Karen.
Okay, I'll sign back on shortly.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Purcell Williams?
Yes.
Okay. We'll call your matter. Not Liddell.
Yeah, Purcell Williams.
Oh, my fault.
Did you talk to him? Did you talk to Liddell Williams?
No, he didn't have an offer.
I
Yeah.
think so. Okay. I just want to make sure. Purcell Williams, Mr. Williams with the orange shirt on, sir? Unmute yourself for me. There you go. Thank you.
Hello?
Hello, I can hear you now, sir.
Oh,
Okay?
okay. All right.
Are you ready? Yes. This is the matter of people versus Purcell Williams. This is ticket number Z778832, one count disorderly conduct. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Strokey on behalf of Purcell Williams.
Mr. Williams, can you state your name for the record, please?
Purcell Williams?
Your Honor, the people have made a recommendation in this matter to dismiss. We would stipulate to probable cause.
Time the court is in receipt of that, we're going to dismiss this matter without prejudice. Mr. Williams is being dismissed today, probably because of the age of the ticket. Don't make it a habit of not taking care of your matters when you're supposed to, okay?
Yeah, okay, Your Honor.
All right.
Your Honor, he does have a bond posted. He indicated he had a new address, so I advised him to chat his address to the court. I don't know if the court received that or not.
We did not. I'm gonna send you a message right now, Mr. Williams. Please respond with your, it's a personal email message, it's a personal message, so only I can see it. Please send me your address, okay, to this message.
Okay.
Thank you.
Williams?
Damn, so do I gotta check my email?
No, she's gonna chat, she's chatting it to you. It's gonna be on your screen.
It should be on your screen. Does something pop up at the bottom? At the bottom of the screen, it should be 3 little dots. Hit the dot, it should say chat, hit chat. And then type in your email address for me. I mean, your address for me.
She said I gotta type in my email address. So find chat.
If not, Mr. Williams, can you do something for me? Can you call the court?
Can I call? Yes, I can.
Okay, I'm gonna give you our court phone number. Call our court and give us your address to my clerk, please, okay? You ready for the phone number?
What pen, man? Type this on your phone. Where is it? You ready? I'm ready, Your Honor.
Okay, 313-965-2293.
Okay.
Okay, call that number and give her your address if you want that updated so you can get your bond money back, okay?
Okay.
All right, have a good day, Mr. Williams. That concludes this hearing.
Okay. Thank you. You too.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
All right. Hello?
You gotta sign the law.
We're actually off the Zoom with.
Hold on a minute, Mr. Williams, you're still on, we can hear you on live, hold on. Let me get him out. Okay, all right, I got him.
All right, we got you on.
Mr. Clarence Williams?
Yes.
All right, I'm ready to call your case. This is the matter of People versus Clarence Williams. This is case number P11688281. Also calling ticket number P11688282. Ticket 81 ending in 81 is expired plates. Ticket ending in 82 is drove untitled or unregistered vehicle. Count 2 is no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke on behalf of Clarence Williams.
Mr. Williams, can you state your name for the record, please?
Clarence Williams.
Your Honor, Mr. Williams is here on an unregistered vehicle and a no insurance charge. I did have the opportunity to review those documents. They are valid. We move for dismissal of both counts.
Being an officer of the court and having seen valid documentation at this time, this court is going to dismiss these matters without prejudice.
Thank you.
Williams, make sure you keep everything up to date, please, and keep everything valid and on you at all times, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Hold on one second. Are you all set, Mr. Williams?
Yes.
Yeah, you're all set. That case.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. All right. Mr. D. John Welch,
Yes,
okay, are you able to activate your camera, sir?
yes, I am. I'm about to do that. All right.
Ready? These are the matters of the People versus Dejan Welch. This is ticket number P10266030. One count of, I believe it was inmated to improper plate. That's here today for a review. Also calling ticket number P1086996. One count drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. One count drive while license suspended. One count no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke on behalf of Dejan Welch. We waive the formal reading of the information. My client stands mute to the charges.
At this time, the court is going to enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. As far as the ticket for P1026030, community service was ordered by the Honorable William Mechanical. That was, no. We did not provide community service for that.
I have the documents today.
Today, okay.
But I've been finished the community service. Like, I just didn't call the court back after I finished the community service and it went into a warrant. That's where it happened.
That's what happens. So when you don't comply and the court tells you to come back and do it and you don't do it, you get warrants.
Yes, and I had to go to. I was incarcerated. I paid a bond to get out, and I have the documents. I did the community service like sooner than later. Like I didn't wait to the last minute. It was done like as soon as possible. I just didn't call you guys back. And if you want to see that piece of paper, I have it right now. I did it with the church down the street from my house.
Okay. You have the documents. Let me see this church paper.
All right. Give me 1 second, please.
All right. October the 26th of 2020. Saved by Grace Church. You did $100 of community service? Wow. What did you do for your community service there for $100? You gotta unmute yourself, sir. I don't know.
Oh, I'm sorry about that. I cleaned up the church. I would clean the bathrooms. I would vacuum the rugs and everything. I would sanitize the let me change my camera. I would sanitize the drumming equipment. He'll call me on some days to weed whack like outside of the church. I have a lawnmower and everything, so I would do stuff like that.
All right, Mr. Wells,
And it was-
then I'm going to close it out because you completed that. So I'll have the clerk close out ticket number P10260030, okay? Now,
All
we
right.
still have this case open though. And how are we proceeding on that, Attorney Soroka, the matter of P1086996?
Your Honor, there was a recommendation. I believe he pleaded improper plates. The other matters would be dismissed.
Is that how you want to proceed today?
Yes.
Okay, if so, I need you to stand still for me now, okay?
Yes.
All right, raise your right hand, sir. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole, nothing but the truth, sir?
Yes, I swear to tell the truth.
You can put your hand down. Mr. Wells, do you
All right.
have an opportunity to speak with an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking a guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
Okay, I want to take your attention back to the date. I want to take your attention back to the date of May the 25th of 2020. Were you in the area of East Jefferson and Bovier Streets in the city of Detroit driving a 2005 Mercury vehicle?
Yes.
And while you were driving this vehicle, did it not have any insurance on it at the time?
No, I did not have any insurance on it.
Satisfied?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
The court is satisfied as well and will accept the plea to the amended charge of improper plate and dismiss counts 1 and 2 on that particular ticket. Mr. Wells, are you currently employed?
Yes, I just started a job at the Metro Detroit Airport as yes.
When?
I say about 3 weeks ago.
Okay, and you need your license to be able to get out there?
Yeah, I have my license now.
Got the license and everything? Okay.
Yes.
So that's excellent. What are you doing out there?
I'm a PSA. I push those in need of a wheelchair and like just getting off a plane and onto a plane. But right now I'm waiting on my badge. I'm going to take my badge appointment at 2:30 p.m. today. So I was just trying to take care of my court stuff today.
wonderful. I appreciate that, Mr. Welch.
Thank
All right. Keep doing what you're doing. I'm gonna waive your cost and fines today. I'm proud of you for having a job and trying to get all this stuff together. Okay?
Thank
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. All right.
That's my
you. All right.
All right, Mr. Welch.
You
And
too.
you get $100 to be returned. Okay? $100. All right, have a good day.
All right. I can leave the meeting.
You can leave the meeting, okay? Good luck.
All right. Thank you. You have a good day too. Happy holidays.
Happy holidays, sir, okay?
All right.
Your Honor, I am in a safe place now.
Okay, Mr. Tuttle, the offer for your client is, and we can put you in there with him. First, I need your P number. Can I have your P number, please?
Yes. Good morning, Your Honor. May it please this honorable court,
No,
Antonio
you
Gonzalez.
Mr. Tuttle, I just
Oh.
need your P number.
Oh, 64158.
The offer is open intoxicated passenger. Okay,
Okay, open and talks passenger. Can I just get a very brief breakout room with Mr. Williams?
oh, absolutely. We'll put you in there right now, okay?
Okay.
What's the first name? Oh, you're right. It's room 13.
Okay.
We're gonna put you in there with him, Mr. Tubbs. Thank you. He also has some outstanding, oh. Are you going, Mr. Tubbs?
Yeah.
I want you to know he has some outstanding, fees that he owes.
He's not, you want me to go in, you wanna go in?
No, don't worry about it. It's
Okay.
Miss Walden, Martina Walden?
Yes, I'm here.
Yes, ma'am. I'm gonna call your matter, okay?
Okay.
This is the matter of People versus Martina Walden. This is U ticket 581-103-20. One count of open alcohol in public. Oh, there might be disorderly conduct. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Strogan, we have Ms. Walden. We ask that the warrant be set aside and we waive the formal reading the information and stand mute.
At this time, the court will set aside any warrants that are out there and will enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf.
Your Honor, the people made a recommendation to amend this and also offer a delayed sentence. My client's waiving her rights.
All right, and I don't know if I got your name for the record. Could you state your name as well, Walden?
Martina Walden.
All right, you're gonna enter a plea at this time? Is that what you want to do?
Yes, ma'am.
If so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can put your hand down. Ms. Walden, did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney in private today about your case, about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Ms. Walden, I want to take your attention back to the date of July the 31st of 2020. Were you in the area of Macomb and Bobian in the city of Detroit in a vehicle at that location, or were you just out in public?
I was at a vehicle.
And did you act in a disorderly way at that point in time?
No.
Did you have alcohol at that point in time, open alcohol in public?
Yes, I pulled the bottle out.
It was by a public street.
Yes.
Satisfied, Attorney Terrell?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
The court is satisfied as well. Will accept the plea to disorderly conduct at this time. Ms. Walden, what they're gonna do is do a 3-month delay sentence. That means that in 3 months, as long as you pick up no new tickets or anything like that, and you pay the fine that I'm gonna assess today, that this matter will be dismissed, okay?
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
No, you're welcome. So I'm going to assess a fine today in the amount of $200. And you have 3 months to be able to pay that. I need that paid, no new tickets, and sign back in for review on is that a date that you have to- Okay, on 3/3/2022 at 8:35 a.m. When you sign in on that day, as long as the fees are paid, the $200, and you have no new tickets like this, I will dismiss this case.
Thank you, ma'am.
You are very welcome. If there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing, okay?
Have a great day.
All right, you too. I'll see you back for a review date on that date and to close it out, because I know you're gonna be successful, all right?
Thank you. Have a great day.
All right, you too. Bye-bye. Got it, sorry. Okay. Mr. Roki, did you get some additional?
I did, Your Honor. I can go talk to those people.
For the people, because
But I have one question on Ariel Wiltshire. There's a couple matters. He wrote like 14 offers, but there's more than the tickets. So is the state gonna look at that, or are you gonna dismiss if she pleads?
Okay, let me look at it real quick. And she's actually in person because she had to do some of the stuff. So I'm gonna have to step out the courtroom so that you can talk to her for a minute when I finish Mr. Tuttle's matter. And so,
Yeah, she has 16 open tickets and only 14 on the offer, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yeah, so.
These are 2 state tickets. I'm gonna do this 2 state tickets with this offer to dismiss them if she pleads to the 3 counts.
I'm sorry. Okay, all right. Thank you. Okay, so I can talk to her when the court's ready, or I can go do the other one first, the other 2.
Do the other one, do one, and then come back into the court. After I finish Mr. Tuttle's matter, I'll step out and have her come into the courtroom so you can talk to her. She's physically present here because I made her come today. So I'm gonna have to step out so you can talk to her.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. So go see that person, go see at least the 1 person, and then I'll be able to get that together. Okay. All right, Mr. Tuttles?
Yes.
Okay. Call your matter. Mr. Williams, you can unmute yourself now, okay? These are the matters of the people, or this is the matter of the people versus Jermaine Williams. This is ticket number SP 114257772. 1 count open alcohol and motor vehicle driver. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please this honorable court, Antonio D. Tuttles on behalf of my client, that is one Jermaine Williams, who is physically not present in your courtroom at this time. I do ask the court to waive Mr. Williams' physical presence. However, Mr. Williams is present via Zoom. Mr. Williams, can you wave your hand and state your name for the record, please?
Man Williams.
Okay.
You heard me?
Yes, I heard you, Mr. Williams. The court is gonna allow you to waive his presence today. This is the date and time set for a pretrial. How are we proceeding in this matter today, Attorney Tuttle?
Your Honor, we would like to set this for a trial date.
Will that be a bench or a jury trial?
Bench.
Okay. Mr. Williams,
Yes.
can you please raise your right hand?
Uh,
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
yes.
Okay, you can put your hand down, sir. Mr. Williams, did you have an opportunity to speak with your attorney, Mr. Tuttle?
Yes, I did.
Okay, and did you discuss a bench trial in this particular matter?
Yes.
That's how you want to proceed?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna set this for a bench trial on the date. Mr. Tuttles, does March the 30th, 2022 at 9 a.m. work for you?
I will make that work, Your Honor.
Okay, all right. I'm gonna set it for March the 30th, 2022. That's gonna be at 9 a.m. It is gonna be via Zoom. You would like this to be a Zoom bench trial, Attorney Tuttles?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, via Zoom, same Zoom number. I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal.
Thanks.
And sir, you just have to report back on that date at that time to this court date, okay?
Yeah. Okay.
If there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing. Thank you.
Thank you, Your
All
Honor.
right. Yeah. I'll see you later on, Totes.
Okay.
All right.
Bye-bye. Thank you both. Okay. Attorney Soroki, we realize that Mr. Williams has lots more tickets, and so we pulled them all. And we're gonna give him- Okay? We realize you were in there, but he has quite a few more tickets, so we want to give him a global resolution. But right now, I'm gonna have to talk to Ms. Welcher about her matter. So I'm gonna have the court officer bring her into the courtroom. She paid her fine today, on her OWI case, so the, probation officer is here. So I believe he's gonna close it out or ask me to close it out because she paid her cost of fine. I'm most likely gonna comply with that. I don't see why I wouldn't comply with that. And then we can worry about her other, counts. So you can kind of talk to her about the three tickets that she can take care of with that, okay? I'm gonna step out the courtroom now so y'all can have a conversation. Ms. Welch?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna have you come forward so that the attorney. Ms. Welch, I'm Judge Taylor, right here. Yep, you're good. I'm Judge Taylor. This is Attorney Pauline Soroki. She is actually, she should be on mute. She's gonna talk to you about your matter. I filled her in that you did make a payment this morning. Thank you so much. She's gonna talk to you about the other resolution that could take place today. I'm gonna step out the courtroom because I'm not supposed to be a part of that conversation. And then I'll come back in and you'll be able to talk. Thank you for making that payment. No problem. I see you. Don't worry, it won't be ignored, okay?
Thank you.
She's also a medical worker. All right, I'm stepping out the courtroom now, Ms. Soroki.
Okay, Your Honor. How you doing, ma'am?
I'm okay, how are you?
Good. I can't see you, but you've got quite a few tickets. So the offer from the city is if you plead guilty to 1 ticket for improper plates, 1 ticket for no registration, and 1 ticket for no insurance, all your other tickets get dismissed. Is that something you want to do? Oh, no, you're not. You're the wrong.
Yeah, I'm like, I don't think that's me.
No, that's not, that's supposed to be the person in the courtroom.
So you're asking me,
Yes,
if I plead guilty to 3 tickets, you're gonna drop all of the rest of them?
yes, except that the outstanding drunk driving, the judge will deal with that, but as far as all your traffic matters.
All the other ones?
Yes, you plead to improper plates, no proof, no insurance, and unregistered vehicle.
Yes.
Now, if you have civil infractions, that's a different story, but this is the global offer. So you tell the judge, you're waiving your right to trial, right to remain silent, right to be presumed innocent. And then on these occasions, you were driving without these documents.
Yes.
And you understand that each ticket carries up to 93 days in jail and or $500 fine, right?
Yes.
And you're prepared to waive your rights?
Yes.
Do you have any questions for me?
No.
Okay, if you need time to pay, you can ask the judge for time to pay, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, so as soon as the court's ready.
All right. Have you had the opportunity to talk to her?
Yes.
Are you ready? Okay, all right. Mr. Roki, are you ready too?
I am.
Okay, I'm gonna call her matters now. These are the matters of the people versus Ariel Welcher. This is ticket number P10080908. One count improper plate. One count failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. One count no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number 712335. One count no operator's license on person. One count no registered motor vehicle. Ticket number P11654770. One count drove unregistered or untitled vehicle. One count no insurance misdemeanor. One count drove while license not valid or improper license. Ticket number P111238. One count failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. One count drove unregistered or untitled vehicle. One count insufficient or defective license. And that may not be on the document. No, we're gonna, is that on the document? Yes. Calling Z ticket H021175. This is a sentence or a review of probation. This is operating while visibly impaired. Ticket number, or case number 134978771. One count drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Ticket number P10866781. One count failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Ticket number, or case number 204543271. One count no operator's license on person. Ticket number P10877241. One count improper plate. One count no insurance misdemeanor. One count drove unregistered or untitled vehicle. And ticket number P10099698. One count drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Appearances for the record, we're gonna start with counsel first, and then I'm gonna have probation officer, and then I'll have you state your name. So counsel, can you state your name for the record, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Pauline Soroki on behalf of Ariel Wiltshire.
And, officer,
Judge, my name is Ken Sciatti. I am the probation officer assigned to the drunk driving matter, which is Z 802175.
and ma'am, can you state your name for the record, please?
Ariel Wiltshire.
All right, this is the date and time set for, we'll handle the Z ticket first, and then we'll handle her other matters.
Okay.
How are we going to proceed with this today? Can I have some information on how she finished with the probation?
Sure, Judge. After several reviews, and this is an old case, the probation department now is 90% satisfied that she has complied with probation. She did indeed, as an agreement of last week, to pay off her $935 on this present drunk driving case, and we're happy to say she did pay it. And she did do her classes. What she hasn't done, not satisfactory, is as the court knows, is she was supposed to pay her outstanding tickets. She does have a substantial amount, over $6,000. What the probation department would like is to close her case today, but without improvement, because in good conscience, we can't recommend close regular. She does owe so much money in tickets and incurred so many. So we're hopeful it could be closed today without.
If it's a regular close, it has to be closed without improvement.
Well, it's just a recommendation, Judge, and it's strictly up to Your Honor.
I was gonna say, I'll let your attorney speak, and then I'll let you speak on your behalf. Attorney Soroki, do you have anything you want to say?
Your Honor, during the time of the probation, my client did not pick up any more drinking offenses, and she did complete the majority of the terms. And in addition, we did have the COVID period. I'd ask the court to close her out with improvement.
And I saw that you put your hand up. Did you want to speak?
Just to speak that if by me agreeing to what she just asked me to agree to, I wouldn't really owe that much money anymore. And a lot of the tickets that he was referring to is it won't be anymore. Half of the tickets and stuff he's referring to that I owe by me agreeing to prove guilty for the 3 tickets, most of them will be dismissed.
Did you have any civil infraction tickets that were with any of these that you know of?
What was civil infraction?
So those are tickets where it's just, they don't necessarily, they're not misdemeanors, so you don't have to appear before the court. But a lot of times they'll be on the tickets as a companion of them.
I don't believe so.
Okay, I can hear it type right now. Give me 1 second.
Well, like a seat note or something, if it's like a seat note, I might have a couple.
They're like 17. Well, here's what I'm gonna do today. I do know that the probation services did want her to take care of her tickets as a part of this. I think she complied with a substantial amount of it, though, the actual drunk driving classes, the community service. She did pay her cost of fees, however late that may be. So the court is gonna close this out. Close it out. Satisfactory. I don't know the terminology.
I guess the court's gonna close it. The defendant will be discharged from probation today and their case be closed.
Okay, there we go. I was gonna say, thank you for that
Yeah.
language. That's great.
Yep.
I appreciate it. So the case will be closed today, for your OWI, okay? If you need to stay, you can stay. If you wanna go, you can go.
Okay,
All right.
thank you, Judge, for
Thank you
acknowledging
so
me.
much.
It was nice seeing you.
Thank you.
I appreciate you, and I appreciate all the
Sorry it
hard
took
work
so
that you
long.
do.
That's okay. Okay, see y'all.
All right. Now, how are we proceeding on the rest of her matter?
Your Honor, the people have made a recommendation. She would plead to 3 counts. She's waiving her rights and asking the court to adopt that.
That's how you want to proceed today?
Yes.
Okay. If so, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yeah.
Okay, you can put your hand down. Ms. Welcher, did you have the opportunity to speak with Ms. Soroki in private about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything outside of what we discussed in
No.
order for this plea?
No.
Okay. Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yeah.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yeah.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had, and you have the right to have a trial, bench, or jury before you? You're gonna give up that right today.
Yes.
Understanding all of that, do you still want to move forward?
Yeah.
Okay, let me find the ticket that. Okay, I want to take your attention back to the date of May the 25th of 2020. Were you in the area of Paul and Robin Wood Street in the city of Detroit driving a 2013 Dodge vehicle?
Yeah.
And while you were driving that vehicle, did it have improper plates on it?
Yeah.
Did you not have any car insurance?
Yeah.
And was it not registered or titled with the Secretary of State's office?
Correct.
Satisfied, Attorney Soroki?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
The court is satisfied as well and will accept the plea as charged to counts 1 and 3 and amend count 2 to improper plates. Okay, I'm gonna pull up how much he owes as far as the, so I can let her know. Now, you owe a lot for civil infraction fees, okay? So I'm gonna make you pay off civil infraction fees. You need to get on the payment plan. You can do that on the first course today before we leave the building. Get it all taken care of. And get checked, wait, you printed it out, and I'm sorry, my clerk had done this already. Um, We're gonna figure out how much you owe, and then have you pay that amount, and I'm gonna waive the cost and fees on these 2 tickets, because it's gonna be a lot of money that you owe still. It may not be $6,000, but it's gonna be some money that you owe, and then you can start making payments towards it. if can
Thank
get
you
that.
so much.
You're welcome. Thank you. I know it's hard, and sometimes we do a lot of stuff in life, and we're willing to share that you got, kind of had some rocky past and some rocky
Right,
starts.
but I'm ready to get it over with. I'm ready to know how much it is and start tackling it down.
Okay, I appreciate that. Okay, so with that said, if there's. I'm dismissing it. Okay. If there's nothing, did you want to stay on, Mr. Rocky, to hear how we figure out the cost, or you all satisfied right now?
What, I mean, I still have other cases.
Yeah, go ahead and listen to the other cases. I'm gonna conclude this hearing while we figure out, so you can go talk to other people at this time, okay?
Yeah, I think, okay, I'll see if there's anybody I haven't talked to.
Because I'm gonna waive your cost and fines on these 3 cases.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. If there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing. Go talk to other folks. Trying to find my remote control.
Oh.
Yeah.
Right there.
I'm gonna say, just mute it real quick.
Okay, well, at least it is dismissal.
Hello? Can you hear me? Hello?
So you're in court. You're just gonna have to hold on a minute.
I had to go to the jail or whatever.
The gentleman who's on the iPhone, what is your name, please?
Mario Wolford.
Okay, Mr. Woodford, you can put your device back on mute, please.
Pardon? I'm sorry.
Kirsten, why are you checking in so late, sir?
Well, the lady, I've been on hold with Thursday. Y'all didn't put no Zooms, and she said y'all changed the number on me. She just gave me the new number. She said they changed it. I've been on hold for over 40 minutes.
Okay. Put yourself on mute.
All right.
Oh.
Roki, have you spoken with everyone?
Well, there's a couple, yes, but you said I was gonna get another offer on the one gentleman. And then, regarding. Is it April? Who was the other? Hang on one second, let me just look at this.
Okay. No worries.
Okay, so Liddell Williams, you said he had more files.
Yes,
And then regarding, Miss Watley, he has her proofs,
okay.
so she's all set. Let me go to the offer before that. And then. There's one other person, there's only one ticket listed on the offer for disorderly conduct, but he wrote like 4 different tickets on. I just gotta figure out who that was. Was it? Not Angela Walsh. Is that April Williams? I think April Williams.
Yeah, she had one.
So April Williams, I think his offer, which I'm trying to relocate, he had multiple tickets on it. Or one was a disorderly. Okay, that's Mario Woodford. Liddell Williams.
State tickets, I see those.
But if they're not on the docket, then I don't know what they are to talk to the client about them.
No, okay. So I can tell you what the tickets are.
Yeah, that'd be great. What are the counts?
For April Williams?
Yes.
Okay. So which ones, you know, all of them except for the 2
No, the only one that's on the docket is the U ticket.
And the U ticket, okay. So her other tickets are. So the U ticket was on the docket. The ticket, that she has a ticket for drove while license suspended.
Okay.
She has, it looks like 2 tickets for failed to properly secure passenger child. She has 2 tickets for that. Those are the 19, the 1190575 counts 1 and 2. These are responsible that they're asking her to do.
So what, I'm sorry, Judge, what are they, just let me know what they wanted to plead to,
Those 2 tickets are the failed to properly secure child passengers, 2 of them.
isn't that, those are civils, right?
Those are civil infractions, $120 each.
All right, let me just go back in and tell her that.
Okay.
Yeah, all right.
We got somebody new signed on too. They said they were on hold trying to figure out the Zoom. I do have an offer. I believe it was sent over to you.
Yeah.
And then we'll put him in a breakout room so that he can be able to talk to you.
Okay. Let me go back to
Mr.
April.
Woodford, I need you to go to breakout room. Mr. Williams, I need you to go back into your breakout room. Mr. Warford, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. It's gonna be breakout room.
This is Woodford. Do I go in the breakout room?
Number 7, and also I'm gonna need you to put your shirt back on too, as well, okay, when you come back into court? For me, please?
Oh, okay. All right.
Okay, room number 6, okay?
Yep.
If you want to turn that fan on, if it's too much volume, I just wanted to kind of circulate it.
Oh, no, I'm good.
Just a second.
Yeah. Let's say, shoot, this is going to wait, like.
Just slow. Yeah, for now, I guess, sure.
And Mr. Roby, have you spoken to everybody? I'm talking about.
I have, Your Honor.
Okay, let me make sure. I see Ms. Welch made it on, so we'll just do her matter first. And then Jasmine Woods, you spoke to her. Angela Welch, Dean Webster, Alma Watley,
Yes.
April Williams, and Mario Woodford.
I think so, Judge. If you just want to call them, we can just, it's like, like when I go slow, it throws me off, you know, so like, I think everybody can talk to, but.
Okay, no, I get it. Okay, we close all the rooms and bring everybody out. And then I gotta wait. Just give me 1 second. I got, my court reporter stepped out for 1 moment. Everyone, please remain muted until I call your case. So put yourself on mute, please, and I will call your case. Mr. White, you have to go find some place to sit up other than your bed, please.
Did you want me to get on?
Yes, everybody, please mute yourself until I call your case.
Okay.
Please mute yourself until I call your case. It's okay. Ms. Woods, please mute yourself until I call your case, okay? Delja Welcher?
Yes.
Delasia.
Delasia, okay.
Mm-hmm.
You ready?
Yeah.
This is the matter of the people versus Delasia Welcher. This is you ticket 56943 1 count of entering without owner's permission.
Your Honor, Pauline Strokey on behalf of Delasia Wilshire. At this time, matter set for trial today. The officer has not appeared. We move for dismissal.
Okay, Ms. Welch, can you please put your name on the record?
Delasia Welcher.
All right. It is 11:06 a.m. There's no officer present, so the court is going to dismiss this matter without prejudice. Ms. Welcher, that means that I'm dismissing it today. They can refile it if they want to, but as of today, you're all set, okay?
Okay. So is that like for a certain amount of time they could pull that back up? Like, will it be closed at one point in time? Like, is this something I have to worry about?
No.
No? Okay.
Okay. You're all set, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I could leave.
Yes, you can.
Okay, thank you.
Jasmine Woods, you can unmute yourself.
I can hear you now.
I know. You hear me? It's okay. You ready, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. This is a matter of the people versus Jasmine Woods. This is ticket number SP 1205788. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. There's a 2 counts of no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with council.
Your Honor, Pauline Strogan, PF of Jasmine Woods.
Yeah, it's 2,000, no insurance. All right, Ms. Woods, can you state your name for the record?
Jasmine Woods.
The date and time set for a pretrial. How are we proceeding, attorney?
I don't think I had an offer for Miss Woods, did I?
It's in
I'm trying to look through. I'm not. Woods, did I speak with you?
Yes.
Oh, all right.
You said, did you speak with me?
Yes. Did I?
No.
Yeah,
No.
I don't.
Ms. Woods, the offer today is, you're gonna have to hold tight, okay? Put yourself
Yes.
back on. Okay, put yourself back on mute and just wait in the courtroom. Angela Welch?
Yes.
Okay. All right, you ready? This is a matter of People versus Angela Welch. This is ticket SP 11328591. One count allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Strogan, PF of the defendant.
Can you state your name for the record, please, Ms. Welch?
Angela Welch.
This is the date and time set for a arraignment on a bench warrant. How are we proceeding?
Your Honor, at this time I'd ask that the warrant be set aside. And I don't think I got an offer from Miss Welch either. I hate to, Angela Welch.
Who am I, clerk, to resend them to you?
I'm looking through all the offers. Yeah, I need them because these I didn't get.
Okay. Put yourself back on mute, Ms. Welch.
Okay.
Dean Webster,
Yes, Your Honor.
did Attorney Soroki speak to you today?
No, I actually got kicked out earlier. I had to sign back in.
Okay, put yourself on mute.
Okay.
Alma Watley,
I did speak with Watley, Your Honor.
okay. Watley, you can unmute yourself.
Hi, how you doing this morning?
Good, thank you. We're gonna call your case now, okay? All right, this is the matter of the People versus Alma Watley. This is ticket number P11811133. Failed to display a valid operator's license, not on person. Also calling ticket number P11811045. One count expired plates, one count no receipt or unsigned registration. And count 3, no proof of insurance. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Strogan, PF Miss Watley.
Ms. Watley, can you state your name for the record, please?
Aloma Watley.
Your Honor, regarding Miss Watley, I did have the opportunity to see her documents this morning. They are valid. I'd move for dismissal of all counts.
All right, is car license too?
Yes.
All right. As an officer of the court, having seen all of her documents in place, the court is going to dismiss this matter without prejudice. Ms. Watley, make sure that you keep all of your matters up to date, okay? And always
Okay,
have-
thank you.
You're welcome. If there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing. Have a good day.
Oh, okay, thanks.
All right. April
Bye-bye.
Williams. Bye-bye. Bye.
Yes,
Did Attorney Soroki speak with you this morning?
yes, she did.
Okay. All right. These are the matters of the People versus April Williams. I know that on the docket, I'll start with the one matter that's on the docket for today. You ticket 4811018, one count narcotics and or drug related violations. Tickets not on the docket, but a warrant currently a warrant or disposition status as a part of this plea. Case number SP 1190 or pending. They're pending matters or in disposition. SP 1190575, one count failed to properly secure a child. Case number SP 1190571, failed to properly secure passenger child. Ticket number SP 1190561, drove while license suspended. Ticket number SP 119055591, disregard red flasher or arrow. Ticket number SP 119055593, one count, no proof of insurance. Ticket number SP 119055292, one count defective brake lights. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Strug on behalf of the defendant.
Can you state your name for the record, please, ma'am?
April Williams.
Your Honor, at this time, we ask that any outstanding warrants be set aside. We waive the form of reading the information and the defendant stands mute.
At this time, we're going to enter a plea of not guilty on the client's behalf, and any bonds or warrants out there will be removed at this time.
Your Honor, people have made a recommendation to Ms. Williams. She's going to avail herself of the same.
Is that right, Ms. Williams?
I'm sorry, can you repeat yourself?
She's saying that you want to take advantage of the offer that was given to you by the city to plead to 2 counts and the rest will be
Yes,
dismissed.
yes. Yes, I'll take her there.
If so, can you raise your right hand for me, ma'am? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes,
You can put your hand down. Ms. Williams, you had an opportunity to speak with an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights.
yes.
And she's informing me you want to take advantage of the offer today. That's a plea of responsible. What I'm going to do is read from the tickets that were provided for me, and based off of that, I'm going to assess a fine that is the fine you must get for civil infractions, okay?
Okay.
All right. Then on the date of April the 21st of 21, Miss April Williams was driving a Buick in the area of East 7 Mile and Strasburg Street in the city of Detroit, and failed to properly secure a passenger child in the vehicle of her car. Satisfied, Attorney Cherokee?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Is there stipulation probable cause of the remaining counts to be dismissed?
So stipulated.
So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to 2 counts of failure to properly secure a passenger child. And I'm going to dismiss the remaining counts that I stated on the record today. And if any of them are in disposition, I'm going to pull them out of disposition and dismiss them. Okay, ma'am? I'm going to assess a fine today in the amount total of $240. Each one of these civil infraction tickets are $120. So it's $120 per civil infraction ticket. And that's going to be due, it's due by statute in 14 days. So you have.
I receive SSI. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, I get paid once a month. So is it a way that I could just pay like December 31st? I will have the money.
You can, but it's gonna be late fees. That's the only thing about civil infractions. I can't do anything about the time. It's a statute base that you get 14 days.
Okay.
Pay it when you can. You know, they still will take the money. It just may be some fees on top. I'll try and see if it can go into the computer system and give you a little bit more time. But typically on civil infractions, it won't. So I'll try and give you until we'll see if it does it. I'll give you until January 4th, 2022. But typically it's 14 days and they start tacking on fines, but we'll see what happens, okay?
No, I need my license. I want my license. So December 31st, I promise you I pay this.
Okay, all right, take care of it, okay, Ms. Williams? I understand.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day, Ms. Williams.
You too. Bye.
Bye-bye. Mario Warford?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, we'll call your matter now.
Okay.
This is the matter of the people versus Mario Warford. This is ticket
Woodford.
number 11706666. This is one count of give false information regarding accident. Appearances for the record starting with counsel, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Starkey on behalf of Mario Warford. This matter is set for trial today, Your Honor. I don't see an officer listed on the docket. I'm going to ask the court if they're ready to proceed.
That makes it even worse. He just signed over. No officer is present though. Mr. Woodford, can you state your
Yes,
name?
ma'am. Mario Woodford.
Okay. Mr. Woodford, I know that you had trouble signing on, but you were in my courtroom a few weeks ago. Now I remember.
No, I was no, I wasn't in your courtroom. I ain't been in nobody's courtroom.
Oh.
That wasn't me. Mario Woodford. Woodford. Not me, Your Honor.
You have a trial. Is this the right ticket? Give false information regarding traffic accident, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I don't know who put it on my docket at the trial, but today is the date and time set for a trial according to my docket. And so there are no officers present at this time. The court is going to dismiss this matter without prejudice. What that means, sir, is that there can be a refiling of this matter if they would like to, but as of today, you're all set, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day, sir.
You as well.
All right, bye-bye.
Well.
Oh, another reason I had to take this is scary. Sprout today? No. Might put it on my back. All right. So I'm gonna open back up the room so you can talk to the rest of the folks.
Let me just look at this for a second. So
Dwayne White.
Yes, ma'am.
can we do it? Dale Williams is ready. Is he on the screen?
Liddell Williams?
He's not ready.
He's not ready. You got an offer on.
Yes, I'm
Oh,
here.
he's the one who was getting more tick. Okay.
I'm here.
All right.
I think we're trying to gather all your tickets together so we can handle them all today. So I'm
Okay.
gonna put everybody back in the breakout rooms. He's gonna ask you to go back. He's gonna come in there and talk to you about your cases, okay?
All right.
All right. Thank you. I'm going to go back on these other.
Please rejoin the room so she can go in there and talk to you.
I'm looking for Dwayne White.
Mr. Webster, I'm gonna put you into room number 2, okay? Because you dropped off, so it's gonna put you in room number 2. Ms. Welch, are you able to go back to room number 16? If not, I'm gonna move you to room number 3. Go ahead and go in there. Ms. Woods, I'm gonna put you. I'm gonna put you into room number 5, okay? Join room number 5, Ms. Woods. Thank you.
Is there an offer on Dwayne White?
Oh, wait, no. No, not yet. Don't talk to him yet.
All right, all right. I'm just trying to, it's okay. Let me go back and go to somebody else then. Okay, that is Liddell Williams, Angela Welsh, Dean Webster. Let's see who I have. Oh, Angela Welsh. All right. Your Honor, Woods and Welsh are ready.
You said what?
Woods and Welsh are ready, and I think the other people were still waiting for the offers on.
Okay, we are, and he's in the courtroom now, so I will bring those two out so we can do them right now.
And I think that's everybody then,
Yep.
hopefully. If not, we
Yep.
can,
Dr. Webster too,
talk to whom?
Dean Webster.
Webster.
He is also here now. Send it to you.
No, I did not talk to him. Do we have an offer on him?
Shit, if not, I'll have it sent over to you.
Let me see. I might have it, but I might have thought he was one of the people. Let me see, go through these offers. Okay, I'm gonna go back in and talk to him real quick.
Okay.
Excuse me.
Yes, Ms. Woods.
My phone will be dying shortly.
Okay. Must not be at home. Okay, Ms. Wood, what you can do is call back in on the Zoom phone number. Sometimes that helps save a little bit of time because I have to wait for the attorney to come back in. Saves on a little power.
Okay, I'll hang on until I lose power if that's okay.
Okay.
Okay. I'm not at home as well. I'm sorry.
We're ready, Your Honor.
All right, we're gonna do Ms. Woods real quick. And then, we'll continue forward. You ready? All right, Ms. Woods. This is the matter of People versus Jasmine Woods. Recalling that matter, it has been placed on the record, tickets number SP 120578881, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke on behalf of Jasmine Woods.
Ms. Woods, can you state your name for the record?
Jasmine Woods.
The date and time set for a pretrial. How are we proceeding in these matters?
Your Honor, I did relay the pretrial offer to my client. She's going to avail herself of the same. She's waiving her rights.
Is that right, Ms. Woods?
Yes.
If so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
You can put your hand down. Ms. Woods, did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
Okay, I want to take your attention back to the date of May the 27th of 2021. Were you at that time driving a Chrysler vehicle in the area of the Lodge Freeway and Bagley Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And did you not have any car insurance on that vehicle at the time?
Yes.
That's by the tank Cherokee.
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Is there a stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
So stipulated.
So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to the count of improper plates on count 1, dismiss counts 2 and 3 on this ticket. Ms. Woods, are you currently employed?
No, I'm looking for employment.
Okay. Do you need help with finding a job?
Yes.
Okay. Are you a city of Detroit resident?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna assess a fine in the amount of $200. However, if you want to participate in this program through the city of Detroit, where they'll try and find employment and help you get employment, they'll pay for half your cost and fees. You want to do that?
I think I can cover the 200. I can probably borrow it from someone.
I'm gonna have $200 due no later than February 3rd of 2022. You're all set. You can sign them.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Ms. Welch,
Yes.
I'll do your matter next, okay, ma'am?
Huh?
I said I'm gonna do your matter, okay, ma'am?
Okay.
This is the matter of people versus Angela Welch. This is ticket number SP 1132859, count 1, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Ms. Welsh. At this time, we ask any outstanding warrants be set aside, waive the formal reading and stand mute to the charges.
At this time, the court will set aside any warrants that may be out there on her behalf and enter a plea of not guilty.
Your Honor, she's requesting a bench trial date. I did have the opportunity to discuss the pretrial recommendation with her.
Ms. Welch, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
You can put your hand down there. Did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes, I did.
And she's informing me that you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of fact. Is that how you want to proceed on this?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So I'm going to set this for a bench trial on the date of March the 30th, 2022. It's going to be at 9 a.m. It is going to be via Zoom as well. So all you have to do is sign back in with the same login information. I'm going to set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
Okay.
All right. If there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing. I'll see you back on March the 30th, ma'am, okay?
Okay, thank you. Have
Thank
a
you.
blessed day.
You too, ma'am. Thank you.
Uh-huh.
Okay. You can sign off, ma'am.
Okay.
Mr. Webster, you can unmute yourself.
Good morning.
Good morning. These are the matters of people versus Dean Webster. This is case number 207-1688881. Drove while license not valid or improper license. Also calling ticket number or case number 104086065. Count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Pauline Soroki on behalf of Dean Webster, Your Honor. At this time, we ask any outstanding warrants be set aside. My client enters a plea of standing mute to the charges.
At this time, the court is going to set aside any warrants that are outstanding on behalf of your client and enter a plea of not guilty on his behalf. How are we proceeding?
Your Honor, he's going to avail himself of the recommendation.
Is that right, Mr. Webster?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, if so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
You can put your hand down. Mr. Webster, did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did anyone threaten you? force you or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes, Your Honor.
Understanding all of that, you still want to move forward today, sir?
Yes.
I want to take your attention back to the date of November the 16th of 2020. Were you in the area of Illinois and Wagner Streets in the city of Detroit driving a Jeep vehicle?
Yes.
And while you're driving that vehicle, did you not have a valid license, or was your license improper at the time?
Yes, Your Honor.
That was your operator's license that would have not been valid?
Yes.
Satisfied, Mr. Roby?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Report is satisfied as well. Is there a stipulation for probable cause on the count to be dismissed?
I'm sorry.
Dismissed
I
in the
stipulated
count?
probable cause.
Thank you, yes. So he had an older ticket from 2010 that's being dismissed as a part of this.
Yes, thank you.
Okay. Right, no problem. And so I'm going to enter a plea to the amended charge of improper plates. Sir, are you currently employed?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. If I assess a fine, would you be able to pay that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. I want to assess a fine in the amount of $200. I'm going to give you 90 days to be able to come up with that money though, okay? Are you looking for employment?
Not at the moment.
All right, 90 days. I have to do no later than March the 3rd, 2022, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, there's nothing further. That concludes this hearing.
Thank you.
All right, have a good day.
You too.
Did you get the other two off?
I just got, William, Liddell William, that one.
Okay.
And then Dwayne White I have before, if that's still good. At 11:30, I got Dwayne White, so that one should still be good.
Okay, do the Wayne White first.
Okay. So you told me, Mr. White, you told me he had additional tickets.
No, not Mr. White, Mr. Williams does.
Okay, so
Liddell
Mr. White's set then.
He does have room, it's the one in default, but that doesn't deal with any of this.
So then did you want me to talk to the other person? I don't have that yet, so. Oh, no, I do. Do you want me to do Liddell William?
Don't talk to him yet, because he
Okay.
has. We got it though, we just need one more moment. We got like some reckless driving, like driving too fast, that I have to ask the state about, because he has a couple of them. You ready on Mr. White then?
Yes.
Okay. Mr. White,
Yes.
want to call your matter. This is the matter of people versus Dwayne White. This is ticket P 11816677. One count drove while license suspended, one count no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record starting with counsel.
Your Honor, Pauline Strokey on behalf of Mr. White, I did discuss a recommendation with him. He's going to avail himself of the same.
Is that right, Mr. White?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Excuse me. Can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Mr. White, do you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney in private about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
I'm sorry. Hold on 1 second, because I couldn't hear that last part.
Okay,
Okay, could you repeat that for me?
absolutely. Are you pleading guilty of your own free will? Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward with your plea today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I want to take your attention back to the date of March the 29th of 2021. Were you in the area of Pico and Beaver Lane driving a Chevy vehicle in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
While you're driving that vehicle, did you not have any insurance on the vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
Satisfied, Attorney Soroki?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Court is satisfied as well. Is there stipulation for probable cause on the count to be dismissed?
So stipulated.
So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to the amended charge of improper plates and dismiss count 1 in this particular matter. Are you currently employed, Mr. White?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'm gonna set the fine in the amount of $200, but I'm gonna give you 60 days to pay that, okay? I'm gonna have it due no later than, February the 3rd of 2022, okay?
Okay.
Mr. White, also know that you have a ticket in default right now that you need to pay as well, okay? It's from 2018.
Okay. That's my I think that was a speeding ticket, I do believe. I seen it on my record, and
Okay.
you just told me that I had another ticket, but I've been paying my tickets online, and it only showed me that I only had 1 ticket.
White, Mr. White, it was misspoken by me. I apologize. You've taken care of your last matters. You don't have any more outstanding tickets right now, okay?
Okay.
You're all set with me, okay?
Okay, so what do I have to pay?
You have to pay $200. You have other tickets you've been paying on?
Yes, I've been paying on them. I have paid them off. It only said I had 1 ticket in a computer.
That speeding ticket?
Yes.
Okay, that speeding ticket is like $288, okay?
Okay.
How about you pay that ticket and I'll waive the cost of fines on this ticket, okay?
Okay.
All right.
All right. Oh, one more question.
Yes, Mr. White.
Okay. If I pay these tickets, how would I be able to get my license back?
That's what you were trying to do. Okay, so pay the ticket, the other ticket off, okay? Then what
Okay.
happens, we have some reinstatement fees on this ticket that we just took care of. Those are
Uh-huh.
usually $42, okay? Pay all of those. They'll send clearance over to the Secretary of State's office, letting them know that you can try and apply for your license. And that's how you do it, okay, sir?
Okay.
But you gotta pay that $288 ticket off. That's how much it is in order
Okay.
for you to get it, okay? I'll waive your cost and fines on this ticket so you can pay for that other one,
Okay.
okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. If there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing.
All right.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too, thank you. I know, Mr. Roki, we're just waiting on a partial offer from the
All
state.
right.
Because it's 2 tickets, and he's gonna get a ton of them dismissed from the city.
Okay.
Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If he pleads the 2, but he has like 4, and like I said, 2 of them were like speeding tickets. So I don't want to just wait for a moment for that other part of the offer.
So I'm gonna go in and explain to him what I have.
Okay, please.
Because there's,
do.
you know, this is the bulk of it, so,
Yeah, it is. Go talk to
okay.
him.
Yeah, let me,
Okay. I'm still waiting on.
Eric needs supervision. No, I got a place. Like a place to stay.
All right, Mr. Roki,
Yes.
the other tickets are all in default. That's why I was trying to see if you just gonna have to pay. They like.
Right.
Okay, all right, we're gonna bring them on.
We do an afternoon thing.
I want to.
Well, I always said, I'm not gonna be here, but I just want to make sure. No, but I just want to make sure that we had covered if we wanted to, so.
Mr. Williams?
Yes.
This is the matter of Green versus Liddell Williams. On the docket today, case number SP 114195, count 1, unregistered untitled vehicle, count 2, improper plates. Also on the docket, SP 114259, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor.
Your Honor?
Hold on, I know to call the rest of these cases too. I just want to get those two options. All right, not on the docket, but calling for the record, case SP 11652572, one count cutting in and out of traffic or into traffic. Case number SP 11652981, no insurance. Case number SP 11652982, one count failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Case number SP 11652573, one count varied course without signal or safe observation. Case number 207164081, disregard red signal or amber. Case number SP 11652971, no review mirror or defective mirror. Case number SP 11910791, one count drive while license suspended. And ticket number SP 11498291, improperly displayed, dirty or obscure plate. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke on behalf of Liddell Williams. At this time, I ask any outstanding warrants be set aside, and we waive the formal reading of the citations, and my client stands mute.
At this time, the court is going to enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf and set aside any warrants that might be outstanding at this time. How we proceed?
I did have the opportunity to discuss the recommendation with my client. He wishes to avail himself of the same.
Is that right?
Yes.
All right, if so, can you please raise your right hand for me, sir? Do you swear, the other right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Okay, you can put your hand down. Did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney? That would have been Mr. Roki in private about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty, sir?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking the guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward with the plea today?
Yes.
All right. I want to take your attention back to the date of September the 15th of 2020. At that time, were you driving a Ford vehicle in the area of Euclid and Second Avenue in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And while you were driving, did that vehicle have improper plates on it?
No, it didn't ring up in the system. It was in my name.
Were the plates valid at the time? Were they valid at the time with registered with the Secretary of State's office?
Yes. I didn't have papers. I lost my papers.
All right, so do you want to have a bench or a jury trial, Mr. Williams?
You said what?
A bench or a jury trial? A bench trial is a trial for myself as the trial and refiner of the fact. A jury trial is with 6 individuals from the city of Detroit who will hear the case. I can't take your, if you didn't do anything wrong, I can't take the plea. So now we have to move forward in one of those capacities. Those ways. What's your choice?
I'll take the plea.
You can't, you just messed it up. Yeah. I can't have you plead to something that you're claiming you're not guilty of. I tried to get it the best way I could. You said that plates were
Euclid and proper plates.
and you said they just didn't come up in the system and you lost your plates. And then I asked if you had registered your plates with the Secretary of State's office. And you said no. Had you paid your fees for the year?
No.
You have plates on the vehicle, correct?
I don't have the vehicle no more at the time. But I did.
At the time you had the vehicle back in 2020, it had plates on the vehicle, correct?
Yes.
But did you pay your fee with the Secretary of State's office that year to have those plates renewed?
Forward. Maybe now. I'm trying to remember. I can't quite.
I'm going to ask the court to accept a no contest plea, Your Honor. He has numerous matters and he can't remember the details.
Reading from the ticket, that on the date of September the 15th of 2020, in the area of Euclid and Second Avenue, that the Ford 2004 vehicle did have improper plates in the city of Detroit. Also reading from ticket number SP 11652572 at the area of westbound I-94 and Bovian Street, driving a Buick 2000 vehicle on the date of February 11th of 2021, with the Liddell Williams was driving that vehicle in that area and did commit the crime of limited or commit the civil infraction of limited access 60 and a 55-mile-per-hour zone. Satisfied, Attorney Zeroki?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Court is satisfied as well. Will accept the plea, the no contest plea to the amended charge of with no contest plea as charged, improper plate on ticket ending in 195, count 2, and will accept the amended charge of responsible to ticket ending in 257, count 2, to limited access 60 and 55-mile-per-hour zone. Sir, on the ticket ending the limited access, there is going to be a fine assessed in the amount of $125, I believe. Let me check to make sure. That is going to need to be paid. Yep, $125. That has to be paid in 14 days according to statute. So it's due no later than December the 17th of 2021 on that particular case. On the other case of improper plates, the court is going to waive the cost of fines on that ticket at this time. You do owe quite a bit of civil infractions that total probably close to $1,000, and you'll have to pay reinstatement fees on the remainder of the ticket. So the court believes that's a fair and just resolution at this point in time. Do you have any questions, sir?
No.
Okay. There's nothing further. That does conclude this hearing. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, have a good day.
Somebody